This 2025 Tiffin Byway 38BL is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 39 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 10, TV, stovetop burner, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, awning, air conditioning, smoke detector, microwave, refrigerator, LP detector, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, 2 full baths. This 2025 Tiffin Byway 38BL is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins i6 diesel pusher engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.